Marley.
Oh, sorry. Let's see. Okay. Okay, Gwen.
When she was happy.
Uh-oh. Oh, Daddy. You get the egg. Get the egg, Marley. We're gonna go find us some more eggs. I think there's some more eggs around here somewhere. I don't know where.
Oh. She got that.
Molly.
There you go. Yay!
Come on, we gotta go find us some. We gonna find us some more eggs. Come on, Molly. We gonna find us some more eggs.
Do you need to dip into the basket? Don't forget the orange one over here. You put an orange one up there. You're fine. Those aren't her eggs. I don't want her to take their eggs.
No, those aren't hers.
Those aren't.
Hold on, give me a minute.
This is the silliest Easter egg hunt ever. I think I see one.
I hear Molly.
I think I see one.
Molly. She said this is the silliest Oh, I'm sorry.
No, you're fine. It's perfect for her age, though. It really is. This is the way it should go.
And if you take some out of the bag, I just keep hiding them.
Yeah.
Just in a bag. Oh, Molly.
I think Uncle Wayne sees one. Oh my goodness. Ooh. You're okay. You're good. You're good.
I don't want to let go of my basket.
She ain't let go of the basket. Oop, now is Uncle Wayne okay? You okay, Wayne?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Wait, where are these things coming from? We got to go farther, y'all.
There you go. Oh, she dropped that one.
Okay.
Good job, Dwayne. I like that. Oh, you got some more. Okay, good.
Your basket is getting so full.
You want me to let's put some.
Oop, whoa. There you go.
Okay.
She getting up all the candy. Yeah, basket is getting so full. She's trying to close it up. It's okay, you can just put it in the basket. Oh my goodness.
What we'll do is once you get them out, we'll go over there and we'll hide some over there. How's that?
This Easter egg hunt could go on forever.
It could go on for days. You see a gangster? I think you need to go that way, Marley.
Come on, let's go down here into the grass.
For you so you don't
Okay.
have to keep going.
Oh, that's fine. Oh, I didn't realize what no eggs in there. Come on, Marley, let's go into the grass.
Whoa.
You dropped that one, Marley. You dropped this one.
Look.
It's okay. There we go. Come on, let's go over this hill. Wait, let's go this way. Come on this way.
You get them all?
Dwayne, look right there. I think we might have got a little plumber crack on that one, Dwayne. Watch out. Yeah, there you go.
Dwayne, do down at the bottom of this little thing right here. We'll walk down that way. Look, she's on dropping.
She's like, Uncle Wayne, it's the Easter bunny.
Look, Marley. Marley. Look, right there.
Oh my goodness. Now at this point she's doing her own eggs. Wow, that girl is really swinging high.
No.
I think you're right. I thought this was a good size basket, but you might have to upgrade to the metal basket the way you going, Marley.
Whoa. Get my keys out. Oh, you already dropped that out there. So good. We'll put some of these in here so you have more space for your Easter basket. Not all of them, so we can throw some more out. Swish.
You looking? And you looking?
You don't even have to have nothing in it.
They really don't. The candy is very much secondary.
Oh yeah, I think the candy's more for us.
Yeah.
You're like, ooh, look.
Well, I was thinking.